This is my bike check. This is my Kink Curb 2016 with some random parts on it. Alright, let's get started. So, the grips, these are Merit Charlie Crumlish grips. Merit Charlie Crumlish. Alright, back up. Okay. Bars, Kink Human bars. This is the Mission top load stem. Mission tires. Kink forks. Kink 2016 frame. Fiend seat and seat post. And this is a Mission stem, Mission Cypher sprocket, stock bottom bracket, Mission cranks, Odyssey pedals, same back tire, stock Mission pins, I already said the chain, and this is my Mission brake, and it's pretty dialed. So, yeah, that's my bike check for this, so I'll do a little clip real quick.
He just manual like one full sidewalk.
Thanks for watching!